In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix transaction failed errors on Wise. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's jump right in. Wise is an incredible platform for transferring money internationally, but sometimes you might encounter transaction failed errors, which can be frustrating. The good news is that most transaction issues can be resolved quite easily by following a few straightforward steps. First things first, before you start troubleshooting, it's important to check your account balance. Make sure you have enough money in the specific currency you are trying to send. Remember, it's not just about the amount you are transferring. You also need to account for any fees that Wise might charge. If your balance doesn't cover both the transfer and the fees, that could definitely be the reason for the error. Next, let's talk about transaction limits. Sometimes, large transfers or daily spending limits can trigger payment blocks. You can view your transaction limits under your Wise profile settings. So if you are trying to make a big transfer, or if it's your first time sending money, it might be worth checking these limits to see if they could be the culprit behind the failed transaction. Now that we've checked our balance and limits, let's verify some key details and information related to the transaction. It seems simple, but checking the recipient details is crucial. Just one mistyped digit in an IBAN, or even a tiny misspelling of the recipient's name, can lead to a security failure and prevent your transaction from going through. Make sure that the name on your Wise account matches the name on your funding bank account. If you're using a joint account, double-check that the correct names are reflected. This is another easy fix that can save you from headaches down the line. While we're on the subject of details, let's not overlook your card information. If you're using a card for the transaction, re-enter your CVV or expiry date to make sure they're correct. Sometimes, switching from card payment to direct bank transfer can also work if your bank has flagged the transaction. Now, let's get into some app and security troubleshooting tips. If you're using a Wise card, it's important to check if the card is unlatched or unblocked. You can easily do this by navigating to the Cards tab in the app. If your card is frozen, simply unfreeze it and you'll be ready to go. If you've entered the wrong PIN a few times, your card might be blocked. To resolve this, you can unblock your PIN using the app and then make a physical chip and PIN payment to reset everything. Also, don't forget the importance of keeping your app updated. If there are pending updates, make sure to install those. Alternatively, if you're experiencing loading errors, try switching to an incognito browser window to clear any cache that might be causing the issue. Lastly, once you've reviewed everything and made any necessary changes, make sure to log back into Wise to retry your transaction. This small step can sometimes clear out any lingering errors, allowing your transfer to go through smoothly. So to recap, make sure your account balance is sufficient, verify recipient and card details, and ensure that your Wise app is functioning correctly. Doing these things will help you avoid the frustrating transaction failed errors so you can get back to transferring money without any hiccups. I hope you found these tips useful and that you feel a bit more equipped to handle any transaction issues with Wise. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.